Hello, everyone, and welcome to Raquel Teaches Web Development. My name is Raquel, and in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to use HTML to create links to allow people to download files. So this is the second part of the links tutorial in HTML. This is very quick and easy, so let's hop right into it. So I'm going to switch over to the code editor first. Okay, so as I discussed before, links are a way to allow users to get access to information. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use HTML to create links that when a user clicks on it, they are able to access or download a file. All right. And so we're going to be using the A tag again to do that. So I'm here in the code editor. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be creating a link that allows someone to download a PDF that I already have saved here on my computer. All right. And so we're going to use the same format as we did before, right? So we're going to use the A tag and we're going to add the href attribute. And then I'm going to put, the closing bracket for the opening tag. I'm going to put the link text, right? So I'm going to put here, click to download the file, and I'm going to put the closing A tag. All right, so far I have the skeleton of this set up, right? I have the A tag, the href with empty double quotes, the link text, right? And then the closing link tag. And so what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to be inserting the information for the file that we want to link to. And so when it comes to creating a link to a file, what you're going to be doing is inserting the location of that file on your server, right? So here in this example, I'm doing it on my computer, local installation, but if you were doing this on a live server, for example, you would simply be putting the name of the folder and the name of the file that you're trying to link to. So in this case, I have this file saved in a folder called Documents in my local folder. So this is what it's going to look like when you're using Visual Studio Code, or even if you're not, you can just type in the location if it relative to where you're at. So since it's in the same folder, I can put the name of the folder first, which in my case happens to be Documents. You notice here the Documents pops up. And then when I do that, I can see files that are available in this Documents folder. And so this happens to be the file that I want to be able to link to. It's Merry Christmas stickers.pdf. Okay. And so now I've inserted the file, the entire file location of what I want to link to. So what this will do is that when someone clicks on this text, it will allow them to download this PDF file. So let's go ahead and switch to the browser to see what that looks like. I'm probably going to have to zoom in. Right, that looks very, very small. One day there will be a way to make this look bigger. All right, so right now you can see that this created a link. This created a link that says click to download the file, right? If I hover over it, the pointer changes to a hand. And now when I click on it, what it should do is that it should start downloading the file, right? And so when it comes to PDFs, most browsers will just go ahead and open the PDF in a new tab or in a new window. It really will depend how the user has their browser set up, okay? And you can do this with any number of files. You can do it with image files, with Word documents, with PowerPoint documents, with Photoshop or Inkscape documents. Any kind of document you can link to and allow a user to download. So it's very, very simple to do. And that's really all there is to this tutorial. So let me just hit the back button so you can see how it works again. You can click on it and the file magically appears for the user, right? Now, just so we can look at it one more time in the code editor, be mindful that when it comes to linking to files for people to download, you want to make sure you have this location correct. If it is not correct, it won't work, right? And so if you are coding this, something like this, and when you test it, it's not downloading, something is wrong. Your location most likely is wrong, or your file name is wrong, right? Because even if this file name happens to have spaces in it. So understand that Mary that space Christmas space stickers is not the same as Merry Christmas stickers with no spaces like that, right? That will not work. That will cause an issue. So just be mindful of that, that the file name has to be correct and the location has to be correct. Okay. And that is pretty much it. So that's all it takes to create a link to be able to allow users to download a document. So I hope that you found this helpful. Also know that the code for this is going to be available on my blog. A link to that will be provided in the description for this video. And thank you for taking the time to check out this video today. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you know anyone that would find this useful or helpful, please go ahead and use the share button to share this video with them. And if you'd like to be notified of future videos that I upload to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. So thanks again for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Have a good rest of your day and God bless.